There's strength in numbers. Does God call us to isolation? Yes, he does, so that he can work on a man, to make him a man of God or a woman of God. But there's strength in numbers where two or more gather. The devil's goal is to get you in isolation so that you can leave yourself up to private interpretation. The devil understands that there is power in union, that when two or more gather, there is more authority against him and his kingdom. Do not fall for the movement of isolation. That doesn't mean go to church every Sunday. We are the church. Where two or more gather, there is God in the midst, and that is the church. The more you are alone, the more you begin to push away your brothers and sisters in Christ. And God has never preached an isolation gospel. He has always preached a unity gospel. I am in you, you are in me, we are in each other. That's the message of God. That when you see the church, you see God himself. And when the church looks at itself, you see God himself.